Hi, I'm James, and I'm a sales manager here at Gregg Distributors. Now, you can never be too cautious when it comes to maintaining a particular level of cleanliness. However, you also don't want to be elbow deep in a disinfectant or sanitizer that is going to negatively affect you or the people and pets around you. Luckily, Vital Oxide is here to be a better disinfecting solution for your home, school, or place of business. So, you can put those rubber gloves away and instead enjoy another episode of Gear Up with Gregg. What is Vital Oxide? Well, it is a disinfectant that uses a unique chemical compound called chlorine dioxide. Now, don't get too far ahead of yourself. Chlorine dioxide and chlorine are two very different chemicals. The primary difference between the two is that chlorine dioxide is less caustic, safer, and gentler than chlorine bleach and many other antiseptics and antimicrobials. Furthermore, chlorine bleach can produce harmful byproducts to the environment, including trihalomethanes and haloacetic acids. Meanwhile, the proprietary chemistry of Vital Oxide breaks down to a simple salt, rendering it biodegradable.
Oh, nice!
Vital Oxide is also an EPA registered and approved disinfectant that can be used against a number of viruses, bacteria, and molds. Vital Oxide has also been proven to reduce allergens. And did you know chlorine dioxide, the key ingredient in Vital Oxide, has been used to disinfect after an anthrax outbreak, in the aftermath of Hurricane Katrina to destroy mold, to purify drinking water, and most recently to kill MRSA and COVID-19 in schools and hospitals. When looking at purchasing any cleaners or disinfectants, it's in your best interest to always consider what kind of chemicals you want around your children, employees, patients, students, and family. Many disinfectants and mold removers are actually extremely toxic and potentially dangerous if not used correctly. If a disinfectant that requires personal protective equipment is used without the proper equipment, you run the risk of causing serious injury to your eyes, skin, and respiratory system. Section 8 of a Safety Data Sheet, or SDS, will provide you with all the information you need regarding PPE, and Section 11 can show you the toxicology of that particular substance. As you can see in just a few of the examples we are showing you, many competing disinfectants require gloves, safety glasses or goggles, and sometimes even respirators. That's why it's so important to read the SDS of any chemical cleaner. You might be surprised at what you find. But Vital Oxide can give you peace of mind since it is safe to handle without gloves, special protective clothing, or respirators. It is colorless, fragrance-free, and free of any VOCs or volatile organic compounds. It won't harm hard or soft surfaces or color-fast fabrics. And it's so mild you can literally wash your hands in it.
Very nice!
Now let's look at how to properly use Vital Oxide. Vital Oxide comes as an RTU or ready-to-use, full-strength, EPA-registered hospital disinfectant. The non-diluted, full-strength form is recommended for use on surfaces that are non-porous and experience high levels of mold, mildew, or bacteria. It is also recommended to be used on high-traffic and touch zones like handrails or doorknobs. When applying Vital Oxide to areas with excessive dirt buildup, it's best to start off by pre-cleaning the area with soap and water. That way there's no chance for any mold or bacteria to be hiding behind dust and grime. And it guarantees that the disinfectant will make full contact with any bacteria and viruses. For less soiled surfaces, it is not required to pre-clean. Next, spray the desired area with enough product for the surface to remain wet for at least 10 minutes. 10 minutes is the magic number, as that long of a waiting period allows for both bacterial disinfection and virus inactivation. Then allow the disinfectant to dry down. There's no need for any wiping with Vital Oxide. Now, for daily use in areas where food comes in contact with the surface to be disinfected, you can use Vital Oxide as a no-rinse sanitizer as it is NSF certified. Simply dilute the solution, 9 parts water to 1 part Vital Oxide, spray on the affected surface, and let it dry down. Again, there is no wiping required. Vital Oxide as a daily sanitizer works great for porous surfaces like cutting boards, kitchens, and countertops, but it can also be used to sanitize your carpets too. If you dilute Vital Oxide to 5 parts water to 1 part Vital Oxide, you can use it to pre-treat carpet stains and eliminate odors. This makes Vital Oxide perfect for households with children and pets, as it can help clean up their messes and prevent the spread of illnesses and cross-contamination. To use Vital Oxide as a carpet cleaner, simply dilute and spray on the affected area. Then work the solution into the carpet with a brush and allow it to dry. However, if you are looking to disinfect an entire hospital room, basement, or classroom with Vital Oxide, the best way to clean such a large space is by using a fogger, mister, sprayer, or electrostatic sprayer. By using a fogger, mister, or sprayer, you can cut out some serious time spent disinfecting. This is because these machines create a fine mist that allows disinfectant to cling to a variety of surfaces like walls, ceilings, and floors. And it doesn't require any wiping. Instead, you simply spray the surface with enough product for the area to remain wet for at least 10 minutes. Then let the disinfectant dry down. Here at Gregg's, a sprayer we would recommend you use with Vital Oxide is the NPD Boss Pro 128 backpack sprayer. The Boss Pro 128 is a popular sprayer for both the fertilizer and pesticide industry, as it has Viton seals and has been programmed to change voltages for better battery life. This sprayer can hold up to 1 gallon or 3.78 liters of product. It is rechargeable and can spray both foam and/or liquids. The telescoping extension wand also really comes in handy while spraying large areas or high places. And since this backpack sprayer is only 6.7 pounds with the battery, it makes it easy to carry around as you work. Now, a truly special perk about our Boss Pro 128 sprayer bundle is that it comes with an additional battery, stainless steel spraying tip that has been specifically created for the application of Vital Oxide, and a low volume switch. That way you aren't wasting any product by overspraying. But if you prefer a non-backpack sprayer, we also carry the NPD Pro 320. This sprayer features all the same perks as the Pro 128, but instead, it has a 2.5 gallon or 10 liter tank and mobile cart for ease of movement. So, how much Vital Oxide do you need for your home, workplace, or school? Well, the area you are disinfecting needs to remain wet for at least 10 minutes to ensure a sanitary surface. So, an entire gallon of Vital Oxide can cover about 1,000 square feet if sprayed from a bottle, and about 8,000 square feet if you apply it with a backpack sprayer, electrostatic sprayer, or fogging device. However, 5 gallons or 18.9 liters can cover about 5,000 square feet if sprayed from a regular spray bottle. But if you use a backpack sprayer, electrostatic sprayer, or fogging device, 18.9 liters will give you about 40,000 square feet of coverage. Here at Gregg's, we carry Vital Oxide in 3.78 liters, 18.9 liters, or 208 liter sizes. But don't worry, if you don't use an entire jug of Vital Oxide, it has more than a 1-year shelf life after opening. So the same container can keep being used over and over again. Staying safe and keeping your surroundings clean has never been more important. And both the creators of Vital Oxide and all of us here at Gregg Distributors know that. So, remember to wash your hands often and disinfect surfaces and objects regularly. But if you have any other questions, make sure to leave us a comment down below or give us a call. And one of our knowledgeable staff will be happy to help you out. You can also check out our website at greggdistributors.ca. Once again, I'm James, and thank you for tuning in to Gear Up with Greggs.